Assalamualaikum student. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology. In before classes what we learned ma? We learned what is science. What is science ma? Science is a thinking process. Science is a gaining of knowledge. Now we have learned scientific methods. What are the scientific methods ma? Scientific methods are nothing but while doing an experiment, scientists are used some steps we call as scientific method. Here the different types of steps are there that are coming in the scientific method. What are ma? Observe and ask questions, form a hypothesis, plan an experiment, conduct the experiment, draw conclusion and communicate the result. These are the most important steps that are involved in scientific method. Here a boy is there ma, her name is Arvind. Just he conduct an experiment while using these types of steps. This is an important step ma. Here Arvind is there. He just doing an experiment by using this type of steps. So what he do ma? Just he take three types of soils ma. He take three types of soils. What are they ma? He take potting soil, sandy soil and clay soils. Okay na, he take three different types of soils. What are they ma? They are potting soil, sandy soil and clay soil he taking in this experiment. First step is that and first step, what is ma? Observe and ask questions. While doing an experiment, we have to observe and ask questions. Second, what is ma? Form a hypothesis. Form a hypothesis is nothing but we have to think ourselves, that is, it may be correct or not. So which soil work best for planting bean seed? I need to find out more about the different types of soil. Here that boy Arvind, he taking three different types of soils. In that soil they are taking beans ma. They are taking beans. They kept up beans. Second, my hypothesis is that bean seeds sprout best in potting soil. Just he think himself that they are using bean seeds is a good sprouted in potting soil. Third, plan an experiment. He plan an experiment. In that plant, what he do ma? I will put identical seeds in three different kinds of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, potting soil. Just he take three different types of soil. In that soil they are put what he put ma? He put identical seeds, same seeds. In that pot they are put same seed. Each flower pot which will give the same amount of water and light. So I will be controlling the variables of water and light. What he do ma? He do he take three types of pots. In that pot he put three different types of soil. In that soil he put same type, identical type of seeds in that pot. And what he will do? He will controlling the variables factor. What are the variables factor ma? Variables factors are nothing but water and light. Water and light are main important thing ma. Because of this only the plant will grow, the seeds will grow. If they are not, means the water and if they are not, means the seed will not grow into a plant. In third step, just he do these things. So in light and water are the fixed variables ma. We called as fixed variables. This is an important variables. And soil is a changing variable. Soil is changing variables. Light and water are fixed variable. It is very important for our growing of plant. Soil is changing variable. Soil is a changing variable. Means different types of soils are present now. That's we are called as changing variable. In fourth step, we have to conduct the experiment. What is our fourth step? We have to conduct the experiment. What he do in this fourth step? He will measure each plant in every 3 days. What he measure? He will measure each plant in every day. I will record that result in the table and they make a bar graph to show the height of each plant 21 days after I planted the seeds. So what he do in this fourth step? Just he sandy soil, clay soil, potting soil, height of the plant means we are kept what we kept ma, we are kept seeds in that pot na. How will they, how much he will grow, just he record in that things. What is our fifth step ma? Fifth step is draw and communicate result. Fifth step, what we have to conclude that is this correct or wrong, our total answer in this conclusion, our total answers. What he do? My hypothesis is correct, not correct. The seeds spotted equally when potting soil and sandy soil. The seeds are equally grow in which soil ma? The seed will grow in potting soil equally and sandy soil equally. They will spotted in clay soil but with less growth. The seeds are grown into plant in potted soil, clay soil also, but with less growth. When compared to the seeds are spotted in potting soil and sandy soil, it will be grow as much length, but in the clay soil it will be grow with less growth.